Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy A23. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to operate the Send Anywhere app, select one of those options about notifications, and then click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Samsung Galaxy A23. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up, you can choose Not Now if you wish to, and then close it by selecting OK. Now choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Samsung device, and Receive over here next to Send and History on Samsung Galaxy A23. Then, in order to choose files that you wish to transfer, you can click on them, or select all of those kind of dots from all of those categories. Then when you're ready, choose Send next to Selected. It will take some time to transfer all of those files, so I will go with only one. Maybe this one. Choose Send and tap on Got it. Now on Galaxy A23, tap on one of those options. Select Close this window and pick one of those two connection ways. You can scan the QR code by selecting scanning icon here, choosing while using or only this time, and pointing this device's camera at the QR code. But you can also select this back button and input this key over here instead. Then connect using Receive button. Now as you can see, after a while, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!